In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. If you want to get iPhone layout on this Samsung, you can always use my favorite app to do that. Go into Play Store and download OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, you don't have to open it. You can exit Play Store and go into Settings. Don't worry, I tested it multiple times and it always works. Scroll, hit Apps, tap on Choose Default Apps, and then select Home App to apply Apple Layout by clicking on Launcher Pro option. Now hit Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, you can always go into Launcher app and follow all of the instructions within. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to enter the same options and tap on your Samsung launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!